Hello friends, today's video regarding OnePlus Pad 2. The OnePlus Pad 2 is an upgrade to the original model, boasting an even larger and sharper display, powerful audio, an advanced processor, and an impressive battery life. Although we wish the stylus were not sold separately, custom software ensures that OnePlus phones work seamlessly with the Pad 2, improving multitasking and connectivity. Past being a competent successor to the OnePlus Pad, the OnePlus Pad 2 offers more. This is one of the best Android tablets available in 2024, thanks to its premium pixel-packed screen, fast charging capabilities, high-performance processor, and sleek design, all at an affordable price. For a relatively low price of $549.99, the OnePlus Pad 2 includes the most recent Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, a 12.1-inch 144Hz display with 3K resolution, an exclusive software not found on any other tablet. To save battery life, the 12.1-inch display can automatically switch between 30 Hz, 48 Hz, 50 Hz, 60 Hz, 90 Hz, 120 Hz, and 144 Hz refresh rates depending on what you're doing on the tablet. However, you can manually set a high refresh rate at the expense of battery life. The Pad 2's 12.1-inch LCD panel has a variable refresh rate of up to 144 Hz and a resolution of 3000 by 2120 pixels. It also supports Dolby Vision. The iPad Air and the Tab S9 FE Plus have lower resolutions. The display is vibrant and brilliant, with a maximum brightness of 900 nits. Even in bright sunlight, I could see the screen clearly, but there was a lot of glare when I used the tablet outside. The display is ideal for browsing the internet and watching videos indoors. The OnePlus Pad 2 is a stylish device. In the hand, the glass and aluminium design feels elegant and high-end. With dimensions of 10.58 by 7.68 by 0.26 inches and a weight of 1.29 pounds, the table is slightly larger and heavier than its predecessor. The soft matte finish on the aluminium back is comfortable to hold and deters fingerprints to some extent. When the rear panel is held in landscape orientation, an elevated, circular camera module rests in the center. A metallic ring encircles the module, which complements the back's aluminium nicely. The horizontal orientation of the OnePlus logo, which appears just below the camera, indicates that this is how the tablet is intended to be used most of the time. The OnePlus Pad 2 comes with a variety of accessories, including an upgraded OnePlus Stylo 2 and a folio keyboard case that doubles as a kickstand and features a magnetically detachable keyboard. These are optional accessories that are not included in the box, but they significantly improve the tablet's functionality. To complete the Pad 2's functionality, OnePlus includes the Stylo 2 stylus and smart keyboard, two excellent accessories required for a tablet to be a true workstation. When you pre-order the Pad 2, you can get one of these or a basic OnePlus Pad 2 case for free, along with a charging brick. Otherwise, you'll have to pay more. One of the OnePlus Pad 2's standout highlights is its flagship-level Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. As a result, the OnePlus Pad 2 should be the most powerful and responsive Android tablet. Together with 256 GB of standard storage and a robust 12 GB of RAM, that should be more than enough for most users. The OnePlus Pad 2 will include numerous AI features, the majority of which will not be available at launch, but will be released via OTA updates in the coming months. Later this month, you can get Magic Eraser 2.0, which removes subjects from photos, as well as an AI-powered recording summary feature and document scanning capability. However, more intriguing AI features will be introduced in September, including AI Speak, which reads text aloud to you, AI Summary, which summarizes lengthy passages of text, and AI Writer, which can rewrite text. The OnePlus Pad 2 lacks an IP rating to protect it from dust and water, just like the iPad Air. In comparison, the Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus has an IP68 rating, indicating that it can withstand immersion in 1.5 meters of water for up to 30 minutes, and is dustproof. When combined with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset's battery efficiency, the Pad 2's 9,510 mAh battery is comparable to a 12-inch tablet. OnePlus claims it has a standby time of up to 43 days and underpins 67-watt quick charging. However, the phone does not come with a charger, so you will have to purchase one separately. The OnePlus Pad 2 features an 8MP selfie camera and a 13MP rear camera. Even in broad daylight, the rear camera cannot capture detail. Despite having a similar appearance to the OnePlus Pad, the OnePlus Pad 2 appears to be a worthy upgrade due to its high-end processing capabilities, special multitasking software derived from the OnePlus Open, and a new suite of AI tools set to be released in the coming months. Not to mention the 12.1-inch, 3K, 144Hz screen, which seems ideal for both work and play. In addition to being a significant upgrade over the original OnePlus Pad, the OnePlus Pad 2 is one of the most appealing options for Android users in 2024. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. See you in the next video.